In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ThinkTrader. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to web.thinktrader.com and you want to sign into your account. Over here for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a demo account I created on Think Markets. So, of course, we can just get started. Now, over here, the first thing you want to know, up top left over here, next to the Think Markets logo, you'll see the option to search for instrument. Now, here you can look for any of the instruments available over here, such as, for example, energy, forex, metals, crypto, etc. Or you can just view all of them. So for this instance, let's just look for a specific crypto, and in this instance, I'm going to do a Bitcoin USD. Now here, it's going to present you the market watch. Over here at the left, you can see there's the market watch, but you can open this as well and then switch to crypto, to jobless claims, and to US ADP as well. Okay, you can also create a custom watch list if you want to. That's completely up to you, and then you'll be able to view it up here. Now, from here on the left-hand side, you can also see the market, so you can view the risers, the fallers, the most volatile, crypto, energy, etc. You can just click through these, and then you can see kind of their leaderboards and charts over here on how specific things are performing. Over here, in case you want enhanced trading signals, you'll first have to open up a live trading account and then deposit at least $500. And then over here, you can also, as you can see the calendar. So here you'll be able to basically see the calendar from the past, see the past events, etc. Down here, you can also unlock the Trader's Gym in case you want to, but for this you will need a live account as well. And then here you can see the Think Academy, where you can see countless tutorials on how to actually use ThinkTrader. Now down here you can also enable the one-click trading mode, which basically, once you confirm that and activate it, it will allow you to do one-click trading, and here you can switch to dark mode if you prefer that too. Now, if you want any assistance down here, you can contact them via X, via Telegram, or online. But of course, you can also open up the live chat to chat to them directly. But the main things, of course, are going to be happening over here inside your trader. Now, here you can see there's your graph. You can basically do chart analysis over here because graphs are from TradingView, which means you can go ahead and draw different lines, put on different indicators and strategies, get different templates, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do, similar to what you can do in TradingView. And then down here at the bottom, you can, of course, set different time periods too. And here you can see your positions, your orders, and then your closed positions over here. Now, what you're going to want to do is up top over here, you can see you can buy and sell. So it says sell and then buy over here, and you'll be able to just open up the trading panel that way. So you can go ahead and buy or sell this way, and then you can just basically set how much you would like to buy or sell and select the order type, which can be either market, limit, or stop. And then you can go ahead and confirm buy, and you can buy and then place order, or sell and place order. That way you can see your positions down here as well. You can also take profit, stop loss, etc., or just close the position like this. Now, that's pretty much it. That's how you use the basics over here on ThinkTrader. Up top, you'll always be able to see your cash balance, your profits and losses, your equity, your margin level. And then over here, you can go ahead and open up this trading panel on the side as well. You can go ahead and see all the information about the specific thing showing on your graph over here. Or you can go ahead and read some news about your current opened up crypto, forex, or whatever you're trying to trade. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.